Hello everyone, this is Argha and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can use the Visual Studio Code in your browser itself. Yes, right, in your browser. So what you have to do, you just need to have a smartphone with a browser installed in your device. I personally prefer the Chrome browser because this is the best according to me. You can use any of your browser as per your choice, but I advised you to use the Chrome browser for best experience. So let me show you how. Simply go to your Google search address bar and write vscode.dev. As you can see on the screen, vscode.dev, and press enter. Then the Visual Studio Code will start loading in your browser itself. And that's it. Here you can see all these options like new file, open folder, open repository. So all these as similar as that of the Windows version. Now from this menu bar, let's explore all other options. From here, file, you can create a new file here. So this is how everything can be done using your mobile browser itself. But again, I don't recommend you to use this type of things. Instead, you can go for a online IDE, which is replit.com. I have already shown in another previous video. I will give you the link in the description. You can check that out. Okay, so that's it for now. Goodbye.